It's been a long time since I did one of these. So, without further ado, Mad Max Fury Road. It's a nice cover. I don't know if you can see a little bit of right there. There was a sticker on it, and I had to take it off. I don't know why they have to bombard these with mother flippin' stickers. It's like, what if you want to have the thing and not have it all jacked up and shit? We understand it's a DVD. We understand it has ultraviolet, whatever, download digital. It says it right there. Guess they don't care. It's the same as that. Let's open this up. Yes. We have Mad Max Fury Road in a nice, oh, focus, there we go, in a nice black looking, quit unfocusing, thank you, in a nice black little Blu-ray set right there. Real nice. I thought this said plus DVD. Oh, there it is. On the other side, where it looks exactly the same. It is also black and cool looking. I have this, so I'll remember to save it this time. People ask for me for this, so whoever wants it can ask and I'll give it. In fact, I'll just put it up and whoever wants it can have it. I don't know if you can see that. Kinda came in bad. Anyway, I'll keep it just in case. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too special, nothing too different. This is a really good movie. I highly recommend it. If you're a Mad Max fan, watch it. If you're a fan of just action movies, watch it. It's definitely an awesome film. Check it out.